Imagine a world where a candy could contribute to better health. That's not a figment of the imagination anymore. Welcome to an exploration of the prostate shrinking chew candy, a delightful treat that not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also contributes to prostate health. The prostate, a small gland that plays a significant role in male reproductive health, is often overlooked. Maintaining its healthiness is a vital part of overall well-being, potentially preventing various health issues. Now delve into the ingredients for this unique, health-conscious candy. The recipe calls for 4 main components. 1. Dried berries, the antioxidant powerhouses. 2. Pumpkin seeds, known for their prostate-friendly properties. 3. Raw honey, offering sweetness with added health benefits. And 4. Gelatin, providing the chewy texture. Combine these ingredients in a blender, mold the mixture into bite-sized candies, and let them set in the refrigerator. It's as simple as that. Each ingredient brings a health benefit to the table. Dried berries are packed with antioxidants for overall health support. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral vital for prostate function. Raw honey offers anti-inflammatory properties, and gelatin boosts joint and gut health. Scene script: answering a question from a viewer. Can I customize the recipe based on my preferences? Absolutely. Feel free to experiment with different dried fruits or add nuts for an extra crunch. The key is to enjoy a tasty treat while supporting your prostate health. And that brings us to the end of today's exploration. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being. Give this prostate shrinking chew candy a try and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and health-focused recipes. Until next time, here's to your health.